welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you're doing well. If you are new, then welcome. If you're returning, then welcome back. Today's video is another sneaky peek of my kits that I am working with for the late show on Tuesday the 22nd of January. So I thought I would give you a little sneak peek of some of the kits there. So to start off with, we have got 10 meters of 1mm gauge antique bronze coloured copper wire. Again, a great structural piece, structural wire even. And this is going to be great for obviously creating structure around your jewellery. The next piece of wire that we have got here is the 4mm, and that is 10 meters of the antique bronze. So that's what the antique bronze looks like, perfect for your steampunk style designs, as well as making something a little bit more vintage or trying to make it look a little bit more aged. So that is your antique bronze. Now to go with that, we've got these fantastic cabochons. These are really, really intriguing. And in both sets, because as you know, we get two sets of kits, one to do samples with, and also one to do our demos with. And in both the kits, the amount and the shape of the cabs are the same. So I'll have to wait until we get to the studio to see if that actually transgresses throughout the actual kits. But we've got a good depth, as you can see, on these cabs, and I think they're Jasper. So we've got this fantastic teardrop shape here, and the colours in them are absolutely incredible. And look at that, if you pop round to the other side there, I mean look, the reds and things is just absolutely incredible. So we've got those two. And then we've got these smaller two here. If I just show you, this one's lovely. It's kind of like pinky. It's like clouds. Yeah, it's just like clouds, that one. And then again on the reverse side as well. Absolutely stunning. And then we've got this one here. These ones have got bits of druzy in, which is really cool. And then you've got the back of that. So you've got 4 cabochons. Then we have got some chain here. I think that's probably about, we've got a metre of chain by the look of it, and it's just literally a nice antique bronze chain. Your 0.4 wire will go through this, so I can show you what to do with this possibly in the demo. So this is what we have got here. So it's like a curb chain. And then last but not least in this kit, we have got, I think this is bronzite, or it could be pyrite. It's one of the two. But again, perfect for your steampunk sort of style designs, which is possibly where I'm going to go with this kit. So this is what we have got in this kit. So we've got the gems, the chain, the cabochons, and the wire. Thumbnail! So kit number 2, we have got 10 meters again of 1mm gauge wire, and this is just your copper coloured wire, and we've got the same in the 4, so you've got the 2 to complement each other. Perfect for weaving as well. And then our 3 strands that we have got is, if you can hear, so it's my dog, he's just down there, don't knock the camera. We've got, oh wow, that's cool. We've got these here, which are like I think these are a agate sort of style. So we've got those, which are fantastic. And then we've got the purple agate as well. So the faceted, the black ones were smooth and these are faceted. So if I do the them all together, doing the twist. And there we have it. We've got all of those gemstones in there, and you know, you never know, there might be a A little bit of a sneak peek of the jewellery. Possibly. Who knows? You just have to wait and see. So they are my 2 kits for Tuesday the 22nd of January. I'm really looking forward to coming back. I've had quite a nice little break after Christmas. As you know, I have another job as well, so I was working quite hard over the Christmas period, so it's just been nice just to have a little bit of time off. And I cannot wait to be back to see everybody. Have fun, look after yourselves, look after everybody else. And if you're not subscribed already, then please do. It would mean the world to me. Remember, the world is your catwalk. Keep creating!